Assuming human pupil to have radius of 0.25 centimeter and a comfortable viewing distance of 25 centimeter, the minimum separation between the two objects that human eye can resolve at 500 nanometer wavelength is. Now, suppose this is the human eye lens. Angle subtended by this 2-point-like object at eye length, let us say it is alpha. So alpha is known as angular separation between the object for which they can be just resolved or seen separate by human eye. Linear distance between these two objects, it is denoted as dm. And these objects are kept at distance L, which is the least distance of distinct vision, which is 25 centimeter. Capital D is the diameter of the aperture through which the light rays are going to enter into human eye. Now this is a straightforward application of formula. We can write minimum linear separation or linear distance between two point-like object to be viewed distinctly is, we can write dm is equal to 1.22 lambda L by D. Lambda is the wavelength of the light, L is the least distance of distinct vision, D is the diameter of aperture through which the light rays are going to enter. Keeping up the values, we get dm equal to 1.22. Lambda can be replaced as 500 into 10 raised to minus 9. L can be replaced as 25 centimeter, 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. And the diameter of aperture, radius of that aperture is given, so diameter of aperture will be 2 into 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. On solving this, we get dm equal to 30.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, which can be approximated as 30 micrometer. So correct option is option A in this case.